states all across the country. We've been looking at what our long-term plans need to be around federal rules for accountability. What are we doing with our standards, our assessments, our supports for teaching and learning, our professional development? Also, Representative Omori has a bill in place that we have to look at long-term plans for curriculum and professional development and so on. And in that context of long-term planning, we started to think about opportunities to keep our standards in place, our grade level expectations for our students, so everything can stay the same and have continuity in the classroom. But what would it look like if we changed our service provider, our partners, for the assessments that we used? And when we started asking that question, we said, wait a second, we have our neighbor to the north that we always compare ourselves to, that we always compete with, that we always collaborate with. They have a test and they have work that they've been doing for a long time that's considered best in class. So what would it look like if we partnered with Massachusetts in grades 3 through 8 for their assessment, the Massachusetts Comprehensive Assessment System, and administered it here in Rhode Island? And then also we've been doing some work with College Board around the PSAT and the SAT. Those are tests that are recognized by colleges all across the country and are aligned with the governor's initiative to make sure that we have integrated systems between our K-12 system, our higher ed system, and our workforce system, so students have lots of opportunities. So if they take a test, a free PSAT, SAT that the state has started paying for last year, that they take it and it has two purposes. It not only opens up the doors for them to possibly go to college, but it also fulfills our requirement for federal accountability. So we started thinking about those partnerships. We became very excited about it. And then there was another benefit, which is those tests are shorter than the tests we currently use. So for all of those other reasons, we could also reduce testing time. And honestly, at that point, it just seemed like a no-brainer.